Welcome to the Alaskan Slime Sisters.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make the best slime ever. I mean, like, literally the best.
Yeah.
It lasts for so long. So, let's jump in. Get your bowls and a spoon. You need a spoon.
Bowl and spoon.
And we're in the Lupin right now, which are these very pretty flowers behind us. Look at them. And then I love to do this.
Explode.
Like, look how pretty that is. Now just get them out of our bowls. Okay, first thing you're gonna need is any color of glue. I'm gonna be using clear, and there is also white. I would either use Elmer's or Amazon Basics. These are very good brands.
I think I'll do clear too.
Okay.
And I want to do like a lot of water.
Me too. And so what you're gonna need is glue first, and you're gonna pour it in however much slime you want. Make sure the bowl is clean and doesn't have weird bugs in it. Right now, there's so many mosquitoes in Alaska, and it's super annoying. Wait, don't pour any in. I have way too much. Here comes something. Oh, it's a dog.
Murphy.
Okay, now once you have your glue, you're going to want to add some baking soda. I use Arm & Hammer. It is very good. You're just going to want to get a decent amount, like so. Here, look, that much is good. And same with her. That's a little mark. No. That's how much you want to add in, and you're going to want to mix it well. It doesn't matter if it turns milky. You can let it set to get clear again. But I just find clear glue awesome. I don't know why. I just love it.
Yeah.
And actually, if you want to keep this recipe, go ahead and write it down so you can use it again, because you will want to do that because it's such a good recipe. And also, we have a new thing that I have made, DIY slime texture book, and we have all the different textures that we're going to be using in some of these videos. And at the very back, we have a how to make slime, and it has all the ingredients. It's a good book, and it's very helpful. But we'll just be showing you today. So mix it all up very well. It's like milky.
It's a small slime.
Yes, it needs to be small so it can fit in our containers.
Yes, but it's...
You can make your slime however big. And we're going to be using soap, soft soap. So this is usually not added into slimes. It's rare, but it makes it so much better. Trust me, so much better. We are slime experts. Been doing it for a long time. We use the clear liquid hand soap with the weird Nemo thing on it. Go ahead and squirt. I'm going to squirt in 2. It's probably the right amount for how much glue we have. Mix it in. Kind of makes it have a better smell than it would before. And now we're going to want to add some water. If you want to make your slime watery, go ahead and add more water than glue. But if you don't want it that much water,
Thank you.
add in only a little bit. But the more you add in, the more watery it's going to get. And the less you add in, the more thick it's going to be. So go ahead and mix that in very well, because this is the part that needs mixed most. I mean, it might become sudsy because of the soap and water, but that's good. Okay, now once it's mixed, you can use any color you want, and I'm probably going to be using, what color should I use?
I think I'll use blue because this is a water slime.
That's what I was going to do.
Really?
Yes.
Like a really tame light blue.
So we got our colors here, and you just pour it out.
Where's
leave
the
the box
blue? Where's
somewhere.
the blue? There it
That's
is.
beautiful blue.
Here,
Love
you
this
can do
blue.
it. Use it first. You can use it first if you like.
Thanks.
We need to remember to bring something to scoop
Like
it
we
out.
need an extra spoon. Let's use my own spoon. Okay, I don't want to use too much of the color, so you're gonna want to add in your color, however much you want, to make it darker or lighter. This is dark.
Dang, I wanted it really light.
Same.
Oh well.
We didn't do the colors separate.
Dang, the bug's biting me.
That is worse than yours. Wow. Well, it became really dark, and I don't like that, but Well, can't make it go lighter. I think I'm going to be adding some green into mine.
Ooh, that would be really pretty. I like doing that to the slime.
I just dipped the whole thing in there. My hands are covered with dye because we already have done a few videos today. And it was very challenging to get the dye off. And now I just got like so much more blue dye on me. It's very annoying. Okay, I want it more green, please. Can you open that? Oh, well, I'm just going to take off your finger if that's okay.
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh my gosh, I love this color. The coloring part takes the most if you want to get this perfect shade. That's alright. Mix it in, mix. And then we're going to need to add our activator. And for this, we're going to be using contact solution. Where's the contact solution? Oh, found it. It's like deep in the bag. We use Sensitive Eyes Bosch Lomb. I don't know how to spell that. How to say that. Saline solution. This works the best. Add it in super slow and mix very well every time. This makes the slime way better instead of just adding it all once and mixing not that great. Like mix this for a while and this is...
It's all in my hands.
Yep. That's how I feel, sister.
Literally, it's in my hair now.
Look how it's coming together perfectly. And if you get the wrong contact solution, sometimes it's just the cleaner that it could not be, it's not going to work. So you need to make sure you get
Great,
this
now
kind.
it's green. I did not want green.
Or anything that says saline solution, because that will work. And most glues work, but the best glues are what we have, the Amazon Basics and the Elmer's. Keep slowly adding your contact solution. See how I'm adding only a little bit and I'm not adding it all at once. Just because it makes it so that it's a way better. Wow, I got some on my hand and it is kind of well activated. But it's not all the way done. This is like ruining my nails. Look, they used to be pink. What has happened? It's okay.
So it's all over my... And the bugs are itching.
The bugs are so terrible here.
Huh?
I am loving this color so far. I'm going to be adding rocks to mine. Yeah, you heard me right, rocks. But it's different. It's some rocks that we found, that we collected. They're really white, and we found them on the beach, so it's not like we just went out and bought rocks. And they're like super pretty. So I'm going to be adding them in, I think. What?
Help me, please.
Oh my gosh, what did you do?
I don't know. I don't even know.
Well, how can I help you? There's no napkins.
Well,
won't be much of assistance.
No, I guess not.
Wow. You want to add in any add-ins?
Look at my hands.
When it's, oh wow. When it's still sticky. So you don't want to have like, goodbye rocks.
Goodbye.
We'll have to find more. I don't know why I wanted to add in rocks. Just went perfect with this, my favorite color I have right now. Oh, that's a pretty color.
This is just what I wanted.
I got the same color that I wanted. It's like perfect.
I bet the dye's all over my face now. Because I've been itching my face. Is it on my face?
Oh my gosh, wait, is it on my face?
No. It's
Okay,
not.
my face is pretty. My face is still good. Okay, wait, just show them. It's okay. We have lots of dye on us, and this probably won't happen to you if you're like neat, but we are not neat, so we don't really know what is happening.
I'm mad at myself now.
Why?
Where'd it go, bugs? Because I've got dye all over my face.
Yeah, well, you're all right. Might move these leaves. They're being very mean and sticking in my slime. Okay, well, we're good. We're good.
Please go away.
The bugs are so mean.
Do we have any more water?
Yes, we do. Why don't add more water? It takes so much of the solution we have.
Fine. No water.
She loves water. And
To drink, to use in slime, and to swim in.
yeah, she usually adds so much water to her slimes. She loves water slimes. I don't know why. Why are you so far, like, out of the picture? Put it more in.
I'm not.
Look, I mean,
You
your
should show it on my
bowl
face.
is.
There, is it so far now?
Better. Okay,
I love this color.
But I don't want my hands, all the dye, to change the color of this.
Oh. Is it really bad?
Look at it. She's embarrassed to show you, but it's okay. It happened to her face, so we're fine. There's no dye on her face.
No, you can barely see it.
No, there's just none at all. Totally. Okay, but back to the slime. Oh, wow. That's sticky. And make sure it's not too sticky. Too sticky? Before you touch it. It should be peeling off the walls before you start touching it, which is what happened to mine, so that's good. These rocks are sticking extremely well, and I love them. They make it, like, crunchy. But you don't have to add in anything, and you can add in glitter if you want, or anything else.
Yeah, but I just wanted a nice plain color.
I wanted an iceberg slime. This is kind of like iceberg. I really hope you guys made the slime good, and I hope you guys can subscribe. And I really love this recipe, and I think you should save it. And definitely add in the soap because it makes it a lot better. Like a lot. And then you need to store this in an airtight container or a plastic bag. Airtight containers work way better. But if you don't have those, use a plastic bag because it will dry out. It's not like super slime here. It's just a very basic recipe. And if you want, well, if you don't activate it all the way, you can still add in any add-ins you want. Like, you could add in fishbowl beads or foam beads. And you want to have it rather on the sticky side than the overactivated side, because that's harder to fix than just sticky. What do you think about this recipe?
I think it's great.
It's like
I love it.
the best. Since we're done, you can actually look at the lupin behind us. It's like super pretty, isn't it? The camera is about to tip over. It's like gone nuts. All the bugs around us are super annoying, but I feel like the slime is like really good.
Yeah.
It's just fun to play with this stuff, and the color is beautiful. Like, perfect, in my opinion. But there's hair in it. Why'd you put hair in it, too?
Wait, is it dark or light? Because then we'll be able to tell. It's light. So you can't blame it on me.
I wasn't going to anyway. Okay. Well, this is like super pretty. And this is like one of the best recipes ever that we've found, and we actually made this recipe up. No lie, this is from ours. If you find one that's like it, they might have copied, or we just didn't know about them. But the rocks in this make it so good. And it's like, let's do the stretch test. It passes it. I wonder if we can use our racket for the first time. Okay, let's try you. Whoa. And then you need to grab it up. Pull it off. Oh, no. You didn't crack it.
What does that mean?
You didn't, like, make it pop.
Well, you're not supposed to.
Yes, you are.
Well, I didn't know that's how it worked. And anyway.
Okay, well, it won't work on mine because of the things, but it would work better if we're on a table. And we're going to be doing some ASMR videos for you guys soon, so you can leave it on while you're sleeping or whatever. I don't understand ASMRs. I don't know why. Everyone loves them, but
So much.
we're still going to do it.
Okay, where's the containers?
Perfect. Another hair. I think it was because I was itching myself.
I was itching myself. I'm still itching myself. That's why I've got dye on my face right there.
Yeah, but how come I don't have dye on my face?
There, because you don't. Because yours, I don't know. Because I have dye all over my hands. You didn't have very much.
Wow, it's very buggy out here. And it bugs me.
Bugs are buggy. I don't like them. Not one bit.
I definitely recommend this recipe, and I would save it if I were you. And you can make this so many times and just let the clear. This doesn't look like it's very clear right now. But if you excuse you,
It wasn't me, it was the container.
but you can let this sit for about a week, and it'll change, and it will go back to clear, completely clear, like the glue, except with whatever color you used, or glitter or whatever. Mine will have rocks in the bottom, so it'll. That's gonna be so pretty, like with the white rocks at the bottom, and then this is like the water. That doesn't work very well.
Here is mine.
And I feel like this. That's so pretty. It fit?
No.
Oh, you got two. But the rocks do not fall out because you have to leave it sticky if you want to add in fishbowl beads or
Okay.
bingsu or rocks or
We
whatever.
gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we
right
gotta hurry, guys. This is
'Cause
like
my
terrible.
Face, I need to wash my face and my hands.
Yeah, she needs to
and
wash
it's
her face and her
itchy.
hands.
Everything is
Okay,
itchy.
let's put these in our containers and we'll give you the final review in a second.
Final review is I love this recipe and blah, blah,
Okay, well,
blah.
it's not time for
It's
that.
done.
Split this in half.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start putting the.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, start putting this
Where's
stuff away.
the-
This is like terrible, guys.
Where's the
Oh, just a bit.
That goes in there. That goes in there. Okay.
This is one of our shortest videos because we tend to talk too much when we make long videos.
What's so bad about talking?
I need another container. I still got some more slime.
Oh.
We need to buy bigger
Here.
containers. These are like no, the big ones. She just gave me like sauce containers. This is like what half looks like. You can make a big batch of this stuff, and it will. And if this, guys, gets too sticky, add more activator, or if it deactivates, add activator. But if it gets too overactivated, add
Did you
water.
get 4?
Yes, I did grab 4. Rude. Wait, this is it's got sparkles on it.
I don't want to put it in the bag.
We need to hurry, guys, or else we're gonna be eaten alive, and I'm not lying.
I'm already being eaten alive, so
like I'm itchy.
itchy, itchy, itchy. Dump out the water.
Whoa, she went fast. Here, take that. We're just gonna cut to when we're done doing our cleaning. Guys, this slime is like literally the best, and I
Yeah,
would
it's the
definitely
best.
recommend it. So, we're gonna be doing another video soon with our brothers in it, hopefully, if they agree. It's
Our
gonna be
younger
like
ones.
crazy. Yeah, all of them actually.
All
It's
of
gonna
them?
be crazy.
What?
Yeah.
We did not agree on that.
Yeah, we done. Yeah, we did.
No. That's a bad
Okay,
idea.
whatever. Bye, guys. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching,
watching.
and I hope you can like and subscribe our video, and it would be a very big help because we're trying to reach 500 subscribers soon so we can start earning money from the YouTube app. Thanks, and bye.